Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Infiniti QX80 key fob battery. First, identify the correct battery type, which is often a CR2025 coin cell. Next, gather a small flathead screwdriver and your new battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, ensuring you don't lose any small parts during the process. To begin, remove the physical key from the fob by pressing the Release tab, usually on the back. Next, locate the small slot on the side of the key fob casing. Carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry open the two halves of the key fob, being careful not to damage the plastic. Once the key fob is open, observe the orientation of the old battery. It's important to note which side is facing up or down. Use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the old battery from its compartment. Now, insert the new CR2025 coin cell battery, ensuring the positive side faces down, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Gently press them together until you hear a secure click, indicating they are properly sealed. Reinsert the physical key back into its slot. Finally, test all the key fob functions, such as locking and unlocking your vehicle, to ensure everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.